Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create a Slack user group. If you're working with teams, managing projects, or are part of different departments, you know how crucial communication can be. Slack user groups are a fantastic tool to streamline this process. They help you reach the right people instantly by notifying everyone in the group with just one mention. Imagine mentioning a group handle and everyone in that group getting notified instantly. Plus, when you set default channels for a group, members are automatically added to relevant discussions. This not only keeps everyone informed, but also saves you the hassle of manually adding people each time. Let's dive into the details and make this process seamless for you. First, let's get started by opening Slack. Make sure you're on the Home tab, which is your main dashboard. Here you can see all your channels and messages, providing a bird's eye view of your workspace. Now on the left pane, look for and click on Directories. This section is your gateway to finding people and groups within the Slack workspace you're part of. Once you're inside the directory, move your attention to the User Groups tab. This area displays a list of all current user groups in your workspace. It's beneficial to check out what already exists, to avoid duplicating groups, and to keep your naming consistent with what's already in place. Now it's time to create a user group. Click on Create User Group to lay down the foundation for your new group. Begin by giving your group a clear and descriptive name. This name should be intuitive, making sense to anyone who might stumble upon it in the future. Next, add the group handle. This is what people will type along with the @ sign to mention the entire group. Aim for a handle that's short, easy to read, and in line with your team's naming conventions. Optionally, you can add a purpose to your group. This is a brief description that explains who the group is intended for and when to use it. A clear purpose helps your coworkers understand at a glance what the group is about and promotes healthy notification habits. After setting the name and purpose, you can choose channels that this group will automatically be added to. Consider which channels are essential for the group to stay informed, like project rooms, department hubs, or key announcement spaces. Setting this up from the start saves time and ensures no one misses out on important discussions. Finally, it's time to add members. Search for your teammates by name and include everyone who should be part of this group. Don't worry if you're uncertain about someone. You can always update the group later. Remember, some workspaces have restrictions on who can create or manage user groups. So if you don't see the option to create a group, check with your admin for permissions. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Slack user group that's easy to mention, has a clear purpose, and is connected to the right channels. As your team grows and evolves, you can return to the User Groups tab to adjust the name, handle, purpose, channels, or membership as needed. Use the group handle thoughtfully to notify people only when it truly matters, and your group will become a reliable tool for fast and focused communication. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a Slack user group, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.